Now, ethnographic researchers enter the participants' natural environment to understand how they use a product. This provides context and cultural insights into the everyday lives of customers. Ethnography is the study of a specific grouping within a culture. The researchers pursuing this study format will immerse themselves into the culture they are researching. The qualitative data is gathered through direct observations of an interaction with participants who belong to that culture. The information is then presented through their perspective ultimately. This study aims at understanding group culture. How this research is used. We can take an example of Samsung. Business typically use ethnographic research when trying to understand customer behaviors. If a company wants to create a new product or a feature, researchers can observe how customers are currently using their products and record any point of friction found within the experience. And hence, you will be able to do this research easily.